What's the meaning of colt? Colt. Colt.
Colt. Colt. Colt can refer to a few different things depending on the context. However, it commonly refers to a young male horse or a type of handgun produced by the American company Colt's Manufacturing Company. The word colt has connotations of youthfulness and inexperience, which are often associated with young horses. The Colt firearm, on the other hand, is famous for its role in American history and is still widely used today. Overall, colt is a versatile term that can evoke images of either a powerful firearm or a spirited young animal.